Caution is the word today. Let us examine exactly what is driving the retreat. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Here is your India market briefing for July 21st. We cover the Nifty 50, Sensex, Bank Nifty, and the stocks dominating headlines today. Let us start with a snapshot of the Indian equity markets today. Starting with the Nifty 50, India's benchmark large-cap index. Nifty 50 is little changed, hovering near 24,193 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that stock market today, Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ rise as Apple notches record high Yahoo Finance. Nifty 50 is in a consolidation phase, a pattern that can precede a significant directional break. Watch the $24,677 resistance and $23,709 support as the boundaries of the current range. The Sensex, tracking India's 30 largest blue-chip companies. Sensex slipped -0.31% to 77,471 Indian rupees. Equity markets are responding to reports that stock market today, Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ rise as Apple notches record high Yahoo Finance. The Bank Nifty, India's banking sector barometer, is closely watched by traders as a leading indicator for the broader market. Bank Nifty is trading lower by -0.21%, at 57,821 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by July Fed meeting unpacked, what the latest decision may mean for investors, Lord, Abbott & Co. LLC. Bank Nifty is in a consolidation phase, a pattern that can precede a significant directional break. Watch the $58,977 resistance and $56,664 support as the boundaries of the current range. Now let us look at the stocks making headlines in India today. HDFC Bank is down -2.07%, trading at 761.50 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by HDFC Bank Q1 profit up 5% as NI. Asset quality disappoint. MSN net interest margin is under some pressure from deposit cost competition, but the liability franchise, the cheapest deposit base in private banking, is the structural moat. Any RBI commentary on the bank's operational constraints being lifted would be a significant re-rating catalyst. SBI is down -1.48%, trading at 1,044.30 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by July Fed meeting unpacked, what the latest decision may mean for investors, Lord, Abbott & Co. LLC. The Yono digital banking platform is building a retail liability moat. Corporate loan book quality, the historical weak spot, is now at decade-best levels. The dividend policy has become more generous. Watch for any RBI guidance on priority sector lending norms that could affect cost ratios. Now let us look at the macro backdrop for Indian markets. The rupee is strengthening against the dollar, trading at 96.24. A softer rupee compresses margins for import-heavy sectors like oil, consumer goods, and airlines, while IT exporters like TCS and Infosys benefit. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Foreign institutional investor flows are the near-term swing factor. Any risk-off in global markets tends to amplify selling pressure on Indian indices given the high FII ownership in Nifty 50 constituents. The biggest mover in India today is HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank is down -2.07%, trading at 761.50 Indian rupees. Investor sentiment is being shaped by HDFC Bank Q1 profit up 5% as NI. Asset quality disappoint. MSN credit growth moderation is deliberate. Management is prioritizing the credit-to-deposit ratio improvement over top-line growth. This is the right call for long-term quality, but near-term earnings growth will be below historical norms. Watch for any signal that the CD ratio has normalized, as that unlocks re-acceleration. Here is what we will be watching closely in the days ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We cover every major global market, every single day. If this kind of daily, actionable analysis is useful to you, please support us with a like and subscribe. It takes 2 seconds and it means a great deal to this channel. Share this with anyone who invests or trades, they will thank you for it. That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe, and we will see you in the next one. That is your India market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily coverage of Indian and global markets.